what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a what I eat in a day. I'm so excited. Your girl has been plant-based for a hot minute now. I'm feeling really good. I'm feeling light. I'm feeling like my digestion is working at an all-time high. I'm feeling more energized and motivated to get in my workouts. Like I actually want to go to the gym. So I'm really excited to share what I'm eating, a full day of eating with Kayla, Lashae. So let's go in the kitchen. I've already started to make my shake for this morning and I was like, oh, I have to show you guys what the heck I'm doing because that's a part of what I'm eating. So let's go. Now I ordered my FlatTummy Shake It Baby packets in the matcha green tea flavor. They do have a vanilla, but you know what? I was not feeling basic. And I got the 2-week program, so they do have a 4-week. Because I'm trying this out, I was like, let's take it slow and see how it goes. We could always go ahead and order more. And they do come individually packaged, which I think is great. One pack here is just a serving. So you could take these on the go with you. You can pack them in your gym bag or if you're traveling. And check this out. For one serving, there's 20 grams of protein. And it's not just any regular schmegular protein. It is vegan, so it's plant-based protein. This is also gluten-free. They don't add any sugar, and of course, because it's vegan, it's dairy-free, which is what really got me interested to try this out. And there's nothing wrong with trying out different things to see what you like best, what your palate likes best, and what works really well with your body. So I already dumped one of these into my shaker bottle. I'm actually gonna put the lid on right now and try it with you guys. Look at this, 22 vitamins and minerals, more than 50 fruits and veggies, 20 grams of plant-based proteins, and it's a digestible blend of enzymes and probiotics. We love probiotics up in here. Gluten-free, vegan, dairy-free, soy, and no added sugar. Put the lid on because ain't nobody got time for this to be exploding. Hey. I do use vanilla unsweetened almond milk, but you could definitely mix this with water, it says on the back, or soy milk, your favorite plant-based milk. I definitely would recommend, but it looks like it's pretty blended to me. I don't always have breakfast, so that's why I like things like this that I could just go ahead and make super quick in the morning, have it pre-workout or even post-workout, kind of like a meal replacement. And what these do is it definitely helps to kickstart your weight loss journey. So that's why they recommend doing it in combination with your workouts and being active. I think anything that you do should be a tool. This is definitely a great tool to add within the mix of everything else that you're already doing. If you're doing just this without working out, I don't know how effective that's gonna be. So you definitely wanna get active when you're incorporating these shakes within your daily routines. And they also help to curb your appetite and kick the bad cravings out of the window. Bottoms up. I should have put more milk. It's pretty sweet considering the fact that they don't add any extra sugar. I feel like I have more energy throughout the day. I'm craving healthier foods. I'm not really thinking about processed foods or a lot of oils, or I don't really crave sweets. You guys know this, I'm a salty girl, okay? But like, I just don't have those bad naughty cravings. But if you do have that problem, then these will definitely come in handy. I'll go ahead and leave the matcha green tea shakes in the description box below, along with any coupon codes that I might have so the dolls can save on your order. So definitely check that out. I'm gonna finish sipping on my shake for today, and I will come back with my next meal. I might have coffee. I don't know what I'm feeling, but you guys will be the first to know. I'm so excited. I'm having my acai bowl today. I'm using this Trader Joe's unsweetened organic acai puree packet, and I kind of just defrost it in the microwave for a little bit. But in my blender I have a bunch of frozen bananas, and then I added some mangoes to this just to sweeten it up a little bit, and then I'm going to add some almond milk. And the key is to add less liquid, and that way you'll have a nice thick creamy acai bowl instead of having like a super runny smoothie. It takes a little bit longer to blend, but it's so worth it in the end. And then I'll show you guys the toppings that I'll add over the top. So stay tuned because this is my favorite little, I want to say lunch today. I mean, this is super filling, you guys. Don't get it twisted. There's nothing worse than a super watered down smoothie bowl because I feel like everything just gets soggy and it feels like you're eating a cold soup or something. So for me, this is like the perfect consistency. A little thick. It's creamy from the bananas, which is key. You want to add a lot of bananas and a little bit of liquid. So I'm going to pour this into my bowl and I'll show you guys the toppings. This is really hard to do with one hand. That I'm going to use because I have some cacao nibs. There's some chia seeds. And then I'm going to do 2 different granolas. Recently, these are my 2 favorites. You can see I have gone through this one. Don't worry, I have a backup in the pantry, but this is the almond butter granola and it has chunks of almonds, which is really nice. I love a good texture. And then this one I actually like to eat as cereal sometimes, but it's a really good topping for your acai bowls. It's a mix of rolled oats, cornflakes, sprouted quinoa, almonds, and toasted coconut. So it's a really good flavor when you mix the 2 together, and it's great for just like more filling. Keeps me full and it adds a nice bit of texture. And voila, that is how I make my acai bowls super quick. You don't have to go to a fancy little cafe to get one. And actually it's pretty affordable when you make them at home. So I actually only ended up using the almond butter granola and I just finished off the bag. But you can mix and match any toppings and fruit and superfoods that you like hemp seeds would be really good in this as well, flax seeds. You can even blend maca into your smoothie and really boost the nutrients. So it's a good way to get in your fruit for the day. And of course, I'm sipping on water all freaking day. Gotta keep hydrated, and that is my lunch. One way that I really like to get in my fruits and veg in is by doing fresh juices at home. So this is also a great way to get rid of produce before you have a chance to eat it all up. So I have some carrots, some apples, lemon. This is green apple, cucumber, lots of celery here. Of course, I went ahead and washed everything, and this looks like a bad apple, so we're not going to use that. But yeah, this is just like one of my favorite ways to get rid of produce before I have a chance to eat it all up. So this is going to be mostly a green juice, but I love pairing carrot with greens. I do have a full video on all of my juice recipes, so I'll leave that video linked down below so that the dolls can watch it and you guys can see some of my favorite combinations. I also think I'm going to add some of this cilantro because this is like on its last limb. Cilantro is a great green. It's really good at detoxifying your body, and since your girl went drinking last night, this is definitely gonna come in handy. So I'm gonna throw some of that into my green juice. Eat the rainbow, you guys. I'm just making some veggie tacos. I went to the gym, did my weight training, did the sauna for a little bit. Oh my god. Woo! That is spicy. Bless me. I'm making some zucchini tacos. This is gonna be very, very, very spicy. I'm like choking on the aroma right now. Just whipped up a super quick meal, you guys. I am so dead after the gym slash the sauna, and then I put myself tanner on, so I'm kind of just hanging out for that to develop. And I just made myself some veggie tacos with zucchini and onion and added some cilantro, some really hot salsa. I have these little chippies and guac on this side, and then I just did like a soft shell today. Nothing crazy, right, Leroy? So good. I'm watching a little Netflix. This is a movie called Wild Child. I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but we shall see.